Hello, Firebirds. I'm Addison Hahn. I'm here with Elijah Ford bringing you today's GP News from the library. Today is Monday, November 18th. The weather for today is partly cloudy. The current temperature is 56 degrees with a high of 82 degrees.
Today for lunch we're having mac and cheese with a garlic knot, baked beans, and assorted fruit.
In other GP News, thank you to everyone that participated in our canned food drive. As a school, we raised over 1,350 food items. The grade-winning homerooms that brought in the most cans are preschool through 2nd grade Miss U's class, 3rd through 5th grade Miss Beal's class, and 6th through 8th grade Miss Brown's homeroom class. Thanks again for helping those in need this holiday season. Also, remember the Turkey Bowl is Tuesday and Wednesday this week. Don't forget to bring your money in to Miss Porcelli or Mr. Tiedemann.
Here's the joke of the day. Why did the golfer always wear 2 pairs of pants? In case he got a hole in one. That's all we have for announcements today. Have a magnificent Monday.
This is Addison Hahn and Elijah Ford signing off for GP News.